Hello, I'd like to share some best practice example how to use GenAI service within your enterprise. When heading to Perplexity, the first option is to block those services. But this usually limits the productivity of your users, and those blacklist approaches are usually hard to maintain. The second option for Copilot, for example, when heading to those services, you can allow your corporate enterprise GenAI service. But some of those offer capabilities to further limit the usage, for example, of uploading and downloading those documents. Another option when heading to Grok is to put warn message in front of those services to guide your users and raise the awareness. But usually it's better to control what they're using when those services like Grok. For example, if I paste some sensitive data in here, the data could not be processed from Grok because it's prohibited by the DLP engine in between. And the third option, or the last option, when heading to ChatGPT, is to put an isolation in front of those servers. This limits all the other capabilities that couldn't be protected otherwise. For example, I cannot paste any sensitive data in here. Even I can prevent the printing of those websites. And when exchanging documents with the isolated session, it's protected either from the internet against zero-day exploits or from sensitive data from your corporate enterprise. And finally, you can analyze what services are used, whether they're sanctioned or unsanctioned. You see the drill down, what service got allowed, blocked, or isolated, what I've shown recently, and how the documents or the data is classified for sensitive data like source code, how the prompts are classified for source code, code generation, for example, and even the documents that are shared with the GenAI service. And for further analysis, you can drill down into the specific prompt to see how those prompts got classified for DLP perspective, or what else information was shared for the specific department. I hope this information was useful. If you have any specific GenAI service in mind that we want to test or tackle your GenAI strategy, please reach out to us. Thank you.